Oh, that's cool. I got your mask I made.
What?
Your mask in my hand. Okay, it go.
This it?
Yeah. Got the. That's the thing.
It's
Go.
a goddamn titty.
No, it ain't.
It's a titty.
No, it ain't, man. Put it.
This is what you wear, a goddamn
Junior,
titty.
I got one titty.
Well, goddamn it, this is what you want. I know what this motherfucker is. It's a titty.
Junior, you wrapped it. You put the thing where your head.
Motherfucker on my face. That's a goddamn.
It's not.
That's a titty, goddamn it.
Junior, this is not it. This is a mask.
This is no motherfucking mask. You hook this motherfucker up, you made it, hook it up.
Oh my God.
But this ain't no, this is a woman goddamn titty.
Junior, no, it's not. I'm telling you, it's a mask. Try the mask on, please. Just go behind your head.
No, when I put this motherfucker on, you gonna start acting.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
It's a titty, motherfucker.
No, I'm not. Could you please try on the mask? I took my time and I made it for you. I did it one too. Try it on.
Let me see, did it?
It's downstairs. Just try it on.
I rather damn white mask. Put damn white mask.
Can you try the mask on?
Ass titty.
This is not. Could you please try the mask on that I made? I done took my time down there sewing. Could you try it on? This part there go behind your head.
You full of shit.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Oh, damn weak ass shit.
It's not weak. Just try it on. It's more comfortable. You say you want one to cover up. Come on, put it on. This part here go behind your head. Don't just behind your head, ears and stuff.
You know, you come over with some dumb shit in the world.
This is not no dumb shit. This a mask. We get through. I'm gonna show you folks wear this. I don't
wearing this shit.
What?
Folks ain't wearing this
shit. Would you try it on? It fit good.
Shit. Can't even get the motherfucker on.
Yes, you can. Now put it down.
Can't get this motherfucker on. You put it
on
like that
down.
so I can't get the motherfucker on.
No, put it on down. Over your nose.
This motherfucker hard to get down.
Just put it on down.
Why you made this shit here?
Put it down.
Now I can't get the motherfucker over my goddamn eyes. I ain't fuck this motherfucker. This motherfucker. Tight behind my goddamn head.
Try it out.
I'm trying to bitch on. The motherfucker won't go on. Shit. Pull
it down over your eyes.
Hey, shit, I couldn't get the motherfucker on my
Just pull it down some more.
Motherfucker blinding me.
Put it down some more. Put it down.
It won't go.
Oh my God, you know I put a mask on?
Yeah, but this motherfucker won't go. Tight ass bitch.
There you go. There you go. Now look up. Look up.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Get that motherfucker out of here.
So